Well, good morning guys. I'm just trying to get some little odds and ends done that have been sitting around waiting, and now I'm waiting for the Sikaflex to dry off that I've put in the wardrobes before I can paint it. I thought I'd do another little odd job that's been sitting there. I've had the pieces, I just haven't got around to doing it. What it is when I built the battery compartment opening on the outside of the bus, I put locks on it, but it didn't close properly. Of course, it needed a backing part on it, and I couldn't work out how I was going to do it. But I found some little latches that should do it, so I'll show you what I'm going to do. Excuse the Sikaflex on my face. I put my face on a gob of it, and it's not coming off real easy at the moment. So it's pretty good looking, eh? Oh well, not to worry. All right, let's get into connecting these latches on. I'll show you them. So we're on the outside of the bus, and this is a battery compartment. Now, as you can see, I've got the locks on here, but there's nothing stopping it going in towards the bus. So what I'm going to do is those latches I'm going to stick down the bottom here on either side, which will keep this bottom part tight once it's locked, and we won't have this issue of it bouncing around. Probably what I should have done is when I first did this section, and if I was to do another bus, or if you're doing a bus, I would leave a section still connected down the bottom, and that way the actual door will still have the same issue, but it'll be easier to fix than what it would be here. Just a tip. But if you have done what I've done and you want to lock it up, that's what you're going to have to do. Something to stop it flapping around. If I could work out something that could sit behind here, that would work too, but I think this is going to be the easiest way to do it. So, alright, I've got the first rivet in. These are the rivets I'm using for it. And so now I'm going to stick another one here and another one just here, which will get this side off. I'm going to have to cut the pinch weld down a bit, and the same on this side where I put the lock. I think it would have been better if I was to put this part on first rather than this part. Like, now I've got to hold it and try and mark it where this is going to go, whereas if I put this one on this side on first, I can put it on and then mark the other side. I don't know, I'll try the other way and let you know. But yep, so I'm just putting this little catch part on now. I'm going to put it there and mark it with a pencil. That's side one done, so it's, as you can see, it's stopped it bouncing compared to this side, and just opens up, and then I can unlock it and we'll flip up. So that's what I wanted it to do. Now to put the other side on and we should be good. Alright guys, I've installed the second one. A little bit of problem with this one. When I close it, what happens is this part of the screw part hits this part, so it doesn't lock properly. So what I'm going to have to do is lob a bit off this part of the thread and a little bit off the same on that side as well. So I probably should have spaced it a little bit more between them. Live and learn. Alright guys, that's done. As you can see, they're connected now, and there's no movement there anymore. So it's done what I've wanted it to do. It's been a while before I've done it, but have to do what you have to do, eh? Once again guys, thanks for watching. I know it's only a short video, but there's little things now that just need to be finished while I'm waiting for the auto electrician to come and do his part. So that's the part of the battery compartment that need to be fixed up, and it's done. So if you enjoyed our videos, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button, and as always I hope your build's going well, and we'll talk to you next week. Okay guys, see you for now.